Hello and welcome to Timmys10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels. This is the Sky Boat. It's another fantasy ride. It's got a special feature. It's from the Hot Wheels Rescue Series and it's number 9 of 10. This is number 230 of 250 on the year, and I am unsure of the year, but I believe it's a 2019. This is the third time I've attempted to do this video. The other two times it did not come out right. It was hard to get a focus on it and they weren't worth uploading. Hopefully this will do good because I'm not getting another one. These are ugly rides and I never really cared for it. It's my third one unboxing. This is the part that is the extra feature. So it must go into the water like that on land and then flip this over and it goes in the water. That's what I'm thinking. That's all plastic stuff on top, one-seater, and that's a metal bottom, made in Malaysia. Sky Boat. So it actually goes in the air, on land, and in water. Rescue. It's got three purposes. Let's see how it rolls on the track. Wow. Maybe I will keep this. I have not tried one of these on it yet. This is the first one I've opened since I've had this track set up. I actually like that. Not much on the drifting so far. Maybe if we put that up, would that make it better? I don't know. Drifting's not that great, but still fun to play with when I did that. Whoa! It closed itself when I did that time. Haha, pulled my track apart again. Well, thanks for watching this special feature. Not sure if you think it's cool or not. Like I said, not one of my favorite vehicles. Hard to get it to focus. That was the problem with the last time I did videos. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Timmys10 again. T10 out.